Guys, guess what we're gonna be doing today? Guess. We're taking Merlin's doors off. Thank you, Lady Factory, for sending over this SD1 Series Tube Doors. And since this is my first time doing it, we're gonna figure it out together. Let's go. Unboxing. Boom. Instruction. So I went ahead and did the driver's side latch, which I got it to work nicely. I love the instructions that it shows you which side is the driver's side and which side is the passenger side, along with, per each instruction, it lets you know what accessories you're going to be needing to install that. So I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like, and we're going to go ahead and do the passenger door now. You're going to want to get the body, and you're going to want to get 2 screws with a round head and your 2 washers. I put the body in, and we're just going to put this through. Go ahead and do same thing. I'm going to put the washer first, and then that nut. A anti-collision rubber with screws. So we're going to go ahead and include that back here like this. We're going to put it through, and we're going to grab the other one, and then you're going to tighten it with the wrench. 827/8, the little short one, and your sphere. I'm going to put it through that way, and there you go. Now you're gonna need the bearings that come. Then you're gonna put it both top and bottom. We got the driver's side and the passenger side laid out. What I did notice this time with the rear, and the front does have it as well, marked D for driver, marked P for passenger, in case if the instructions aren't enough. Let's get started. We're gonna start on the driver's side. Have the holes match up. You're gonna need 2 screws with the round head, washers, and you're gonna need the flange nuts. Line it up, and the washer through the screw, nice and tight. We got this sphere A270 nut, nice and tight, and there we go. It's working good. Yeah, I want to take the anti-collision rubber stop. Moving on to the door hinges. Each door is going to have 4. Now the driver's side door is ready to be installed. I'll work on the passenger one next. Moment of truth. No, just kidding. They were super easy to adjust and install, and you're going to want to use the longer round head bolt at the top, and then the shorter one is going to be used for the bottom. And all the tools that you're seeing me use here in the video are included. So including the Allen wrench, all the nuts, bolts. Just want to make sure. There's 2 different size screws. The longer one goes at the top, the shorter one goes at the bottom. You're going to need this washer for the top, doing this one, and you don't need anything for the bottom. The one thing I did notice is that you may have to align these hinges, which you're able to adjust. Got it all nice and adjusted. Bam. But you definitely want to tighten the bottom first. Now you grab your nut and just like that, we got a working door. The final step will be to put on these covers. I truly love that they actually marked it. The hinges D and P, so you know which driver's side and which side is the passenger. Honestly, these tube doors exceeded my expectations. I was really impressed with how solid they feel, and there's no rattling noise when you're driving, and you have so much more legroom compared to the factory doors. I just also really love the overall design. I love a simple but rugged look, and after actually having them on my Bronco, I just genuinely don't want to take them off. And I already can't wait till I get to put them back on again.